Thank you. I'm wearing Moonjay Designs. She's one of the designers who are showcasing this year. Yes.
All right, great. So probably tell us what is your name and what is your role in this event?
Okay, my name is Mwiruri. I am project coordinator for Kibera Fashion Week. Yes, and I handle literally all communications, all planning, stuff like that for the fashion event. Yeah.
Since this is the second edition, what do you think or what have you given us different from the first edition?
Oh, you can see that the designs are actually different. We have more models, we have more designers coming on stage, we have more inclusivity going on, including the models, including the designers. So it's really nice to also come out of Kibera and accommodate even Nairobi and the rest of Kenya, because we even have designers from far as Turkana.
So when scouting the designers and the models, what exactly were you looking for?
Okay, so first things first, we're looking for upcoming artists or designers that we can give a platform. As we say, Kibera Fashion Week is a platform for upcoming designers and people who might not have that platform as of now. So we are creating this huge platform that if you need a design, come to Kibera Fashion Week, I'll hook you up with a designer. And I think today is a good day to just check out my outfit. It's really nice. It is fantasy, right? Yeah. So I think the best thing that we did about this time around is just to expand our wings and just literally go and search for people outside, a little bit outside of Kibera. It still just brings in the inclusivity aspect of it. Yes.
And do you think you have been able to achieve the theme of the event, which is inclusivity and sustainability during this event?
Yes, I think so. So we like reaching out to the community, making sure that the culture is shared with everybody that we are involved with, and that brings in some sort of sustainable, because we give them some income. Every designer, by the way, was paid to showcase.
That is really great, because most events designers actually pay to showcase. So you guys paying the designers and models, that's quite a thing. Bravo on that.
Thank you so much. But it doesn't take 1 week to make a collection, and these people are upcoming. You need to understand that, because if they're upcoming, how are you expecting them to bring like a collection with 10 pieces and showcase like the best that they can? So we thought, why not give them a platform, pay them, and then they can showcase the best designs that they have ever imagined.
So how does the future of Kibera Fashion Week look like? Like, what should we be expecting? Is it going out of Kibera, or what exactly should we expect?
Yes, so our main aim is to change the whole fashion scene, accommodate literally everybody from literally everywhere. So I think we're gonna really expand even outside Kenya at some point. But yeah, I think this was the very first trial, and I think it's a success, because it's not just Kibera designers. We are Kenya, we are worldwide now. We are about to go worldwide for sure. Yeah.
Thank you so much for having this amazing conversation.
For having me.